Good morning, everybody. Before we start, check out these personal step-by-step guides if you want to make the most profit from your investments. Link to both of them is in the description. Market pullback and technical setup noted a sharp 2% drop in the S&P 500 early in the day. This drop is seen as expected, following a bearish divergence and aligning with prior analysis on the previous videos. Despite the sharpness of the move, it's framed as healthy and part of a retest of key support levels, particularly the 20 and 21 exponential moving averages and the golden cross zones. Performance and trend signals the recent stock market uptrend was significant, 26% over 67 days, outperforming many altcoins. Golden crosses are present on several charts: S&P, Bitcoin, Ethereum, suggesting a long-term bullish setup. The weekly time frame still looks strong, while the daily is neutral and 4-hour is oversold, signaling potential for a bounce. Divergences and indicators: bearish divergence appeared on the way up, marking a top. Now seeing bullish divergence on the way down, marking a potential bottom. Ethereum and XRP are at or near support zones, reinforcing the idea of a potential higher low formation. Outlook and strategy: the current market is framed as a potential entry point, not necessarily the bottom, but offering favorable risk to reward. Weekly close is key, ideally above $105,000 for Bitcoin, to sustain the bullish formation. Basically, odds for a bounce from this point are very high, but odds are not guarantees. Closing notes: we're in a market pullback aligning with expectations. Major supports are holding. This may be a good spot to consider entries with cautious optimism, but further downside is always possible. I will be making some new positions.
If you need a more detailed analysis with a step-by-step guide, check out these programs. Link in the description. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment.
Number 10, TRX. Price, 27 cents. Market cap, $25.98 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $907.96 million. Total supply, 94.84 billion. Circulating supply, 94.84 billion. Number 9, Kava. Price, 42 cents. Market cap, $453.66 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $22.61 million. Total supply, 1.08 billion. Circulating supply, 1.08 billion. Number 8, FX. Price, 16 cents. Market cap, $125.78 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $458,870. Total supply, 139.61 million. Circulating supply, 784.3 million. Number 7, SES. Price, $0.0014. Market cap, $58.99 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $4.6 million. Total supply, 88.75 billion. Circulating supply, 41.26 billion. Number 6, Atom. Price, $4.06. Market cap, $1.58 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $148.53 million. Total supply, 390.93 million. Circulating supply, 390.93 million. Number 5, CRO. Cronos is known to be one of the leading altcoins and usually makes the first move, which is after followed by others. So Cronos can be used as an indicator for the other altcoins. With close monitoring, it can double your investments by investing in Cronos and then after a big move transferring to another coin for the same move. Price, $0.091. Market cap, $2.7 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $32.02 million. Total supply, 97.54 billion. Circulating supply, 29.89 million. Number 4. Pepe. Price $0.000011. Market cap $4.48 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $1.59 billion. Total supply 420.68 trillion. Circulating supply 420.68 trillion. Number 3. Ethereum. Ethereum is a good investment for the short term. If the altcoin season finally happens, Ethereum would be in the front, leading other altcoins. And if you are looking for a long-term investment, Ethereum seems kind of risky, and I would suggest waiting until the end of the year for a possible low. Price $2,524.38. Market cap $297.35 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $38.35 billion. Total supply 120.72 million. Circulating supply 120.72 million. Number 2. XRP. XRP has a very good setup for a bullish run. It just needs to break past the $2.50 resistance. Also, as all other altcoins, XRP needs a favorable position from Bitcoin and stocks. Price $2.11. Market cap $124.29 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $4.12 billion. Total supply 99.98 billion. Circulating supply 58.75 billion. Number 3. Ethereum. Ethereum is a good investment for the short term. If the altcoin season finally happens, Ethereum would be in the front, leading other altcoins. And if you are looking for a long-term investment, Ethereum seems kind of risky, and I would suggest waiting until the end of the year for a possible low. Price $2,524.38. Market cap $297.35 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $38.35 billion. Total supply 120.72 million. Circulating supply 120.72 million. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.